our first trip ever to Disney World in Orlando, Florida. This was our first trip ever to Disney World, and we were very excited. Arrived early in the morning, 4 o'clock a.m. We quickly got out of the airport and made our way to Walt Disney World.
Oh my god.
We're here. We're here. Where are we at?
Disney World!
We did it. Woo!
Oh my god, there we are.
This is us right here.
Oh my god. Slay Queen!
Right onto Century.
You excited, guys?
1960s, 1970s, 1980s, 1990s. This is so big. Oh my god.
So we decided to stay at the Pop Century in the first leg of our trip. Reason being because there is very easy access to both Epcot and Hollywood Studios from here, taking the Skyliner. Of course, we got our room keys that say Walt Disney World, but you could also use your Magic Bands if you have those to access the rooms. Our room was in the 50 section in Pop Century with a view of the bowling pin pool. You get your traditional welcome screen on the TV. And the rooms are a pretty standard size with 2 beds in this case, and obviously some Mickey poster in the back. We settled in, made ourselves some Joffrey's coffee. We waited for 7 a.m. to go to the dining hall on resort property to grab some breakfast and begin our day. I mean, who can say no to Mickey-shaped waffles, breakfast, and Mickey-shaped cinnamon buns?
I saw it and
After breakfast, we went ahead and we checked out the pool, we relaxed, checked out the surroundings of the resort property, and of course, we couldn't miss the view of the Skyliner passing by. The Skyliner is just so amazing to see. We decided to go out of our resort, and the best way to go was to Disney Springs. This place is massive. A lot of shops, a lot of people coming by. There are a lot of popular shops. And what's great about them is they have a lot of Disney-themed merchandise. We first checked out the Uniqlo store. It has a lot of Disney shirts, t-shirts, Mickey-inspired mostly. There's also other characters if that's what you prefer. They have hats, Disney hats, as well as umbrellas. Those umbrellas are actually very nice. Of course, they have statues of Mickey, Minnie, and one of my favorites, Donald Duck. We also made our way to Amorette's Patisserie. This bakery shop has a lot of mostly, I would say, Mickey-inspired mousse cakes and each of the classic characters. All very delicious and very sweet. I absolutely love how you can watch them make them right in front of you. It just makes you crave them even more. They also have a good selection of sandwiches if you're feeling a bit hungry, and other types of pastries as well that you can just probably stare at these all day and probably want all of them. We then made our way to World of Disney, which is the actual Disney shop with exclusive merchandise from the parks. They have all sorts of merchandise here, from plushies, shirts, AirPod cases. I mean, it goes on and on. And they have magnets and ornaments of pretty much any character that you want. We'll probably be at the store all day. We really love Disney merchandise. I love this view of Magic Kingdom's entrance from the screen on the wall. We didn't spend too much time here because we figured we would go to the parks and get merchandise over there. So overall, Disney Springs is very beautiful. Have a lot of Disney themed statues all over the place. Donald, Daisy, Mickey, Minnie. They even have beautiful flower gardens and a photo op of Winnie the Pooh, Piglet, and Tigger. One of the shops that kids will definitely love is Goofy's Candy Company. This place has candy everywhere. They have ice cream treats, they have slushies, they have this Goofy statue, of course. Goofy looks amazing. I love Goofy. They have packaging your own types of candy, from jelly beans, chocolates, anything you want. Just grab it. They also have obviously prepackaged gummies that you can find in the parks. And I think one of the highlights here is these specialty pastries, but I think best one is making your own Mickey bar, customizing it.
I don't want to. Milk chocolate. I gotta get mine. And then
So you just saw that sheet. You just fill in whatever toppings you want. They'll go ahead and grab the Mickey ice cream bar, put it in, and then they'll just throw in all the toppings you choose. You can get chocolate drizzle. You can go ahead and get peanuts, whipped cream, cherry on top, you name it. They can put sprinkles, whatever you choose, they'll just pile it on top. And the final result looks amazing and tastes delicious as well. They also have a lot of restaurants. Rainforest Cafe, you look outside, that looks like a volcano, and it's right next to water, so you get the beautiful view as if you were in the beach. They also have a T-Rex shop. It looks awesome. They have this beautiful sign of Florida, so you can take a wonderful picture. They even have this thing where they have a car that becomes a boat that you can ride. They do this throughout the day. That looks really amazing. I really wish I could do that someday. The views here at Disney Springs are very beautiful. Looks like you're in the middle of the water. There's a lot of shops. There's an M&M store. What's special about this one is that there's also Disney-themed M&M items. It's pretty nice to see. You can grab some shirts, some candies. Obviously, you have M&M candies themselves. There's also Planet Hollywood. You can go ahead and grab a meal if you'd like. There's a Coca-Cola store as well. It also has Disney-themed Coca-Cola items. Grab exclusive here. There's also a bunch of other shops. Lululemon. A bunch of other fancy shops.
They even have a bag.
They have Disney-themed items. They even have some Figment merchandise here. As we were walking, we stumbled upon this awesome restaurant called Frontera Cocina, which is by Rick Bayless, and I follow Rick Bayless, so I couldn't resist and decided to drop by and get some food here. Definitely was not disappointed. They have an amazing selection. We went ahead and got some very authentic, very delicious guacamole. Got some steak that came with beans, handmade tortillas, some taquitos that were also very beautiful and delicious. And of course they had live mariachi as well. After that delicious meal, we decided to head back to our room and get settled down because the next day was going to be a very long, beautiful park day. So we decided to just sit back, relax, enjoy a little bit of the pool, and get ready for our next day.